evening to all present here today. On behalf of the St. Joseph's Boys High School, I welcome you to the 4th edition of our annual prestigious Commerce Fest, Bifrost 2020, to be held from the 24th of August 2020 to 1st September 2020. The theme this year is Into the Future. The theme is an ode to a bright future that lies ahead of us and a comforting hope in these challenging times. As is our tradition, we begin every event with solemnity by invoking the blessings of the Almighty and seeking His guidance in all our endeavors. Let us begin this day with a prayer song by Diya, Inara, Sarah and Shania.
Hide me now under your wing. Cover me within your mighty hands. When the oceans rise and thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the flood. I will be still and know you are God. Rest my soul, Christ alone. Know His heart in quietness and trust. When the oceans rise and thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the flood. I will be still and know you are God. When the oceans rise and thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the flood. I will be still and know you are God.
We are not makers of history. We are made by history, said Martin Luther King Jr. Nikita will now tell us about Bifrost and its history.
A very good evening to one and all present here. As Norse mythology states, Bifrost is the magical bridge that connects Asgard, home of the gods, to Midgard, the earth. Here at St. Joseph's, we believe in connecting our world and its routines with the diverse realm of commerce, a force which strengthens economies and helps businesses run successfully. Hence, St. Joseph's Boys High School finds immense pride in conducting the 4th edition of its well-reputed Commerce Fest, this time online and on an international scale. Against the backdrop of the complications of the current scenario, as well as the confusion and uncertainty of what the days to come might hold in store for us, our events take you into the future with many challenges coming your way. With depleting natural resources and the advent of advanced technology, how will you sell? Will you be able to adapt to the change and emerge a leader? Or will you remain yet another cog in the mechanism of the business world? The answer, as also the future of the corporate world, lies in your hands.
The principal, Reverend Father Sunil Fernandez, will now welcome the gathering.
I am delighted to welcome you all to the first online edition of Bifrost and the fourth time we're holding this festival on marketing, finance, human resources and public relations. We look forward to your participation and a vibrant and fulfilling time for all. It gives me great pleasure to introduce as our chief guest Sahan, an old boy of the school and a digital entrepreneur, speaker and investor, and currently CEO of Bubble Network, a digital agency which works with local businesses to launch and scale their digital journey. Boca Juniors, Oberoi, Flipkart and Coworks are a few brands he has added value. Sahan is also the director of SSK Group, an investment fund with holdings in startups such as Pallet Bath, WMET, Wire and CardSafe. Thank you Sahan for joining us today. Bifrost aims to prepare our students for the world of commerce and business that awaits many of you. Today, we are seeing the effects of what happens when commercial activities slow down and the job market begins to shrink. In such times, it is not only our intelligence that we should fall back on, but also our humanity. We should not forget that a moral compass is essential to a life of compassion and brotherhood. We cannot and should not forget that for even a moment. Values of honesty and goodwill, compassion and care for your fellow human beings are what we hope you will carry with you always. The real world is full of opportunities, and Bifrost is going to give you a taste of what the real world is all about. Enjoy the many activities over the next few days that will test your skills in different areas: presentation, quick thinking, knowledge of the market, entrepreneurship, and so on. I wish you all good luck and may the best teams win.
Thank you, Father, for that wonderful message. Now it is my honor to introduce to all of you our keynote speaker for today, Mr. Sahan Suman. Mr. Sahan is a 24-year-old digital entrepreneur, speaker and investor. He is currently the CEO of Bubble Network, a digital agency based out of India and London. Bubble Network has been able to consult and service over 250 SMEs and local businesses and have them scale and grow their digital journey. Mr. Sahan is an extremely hardworking and passionate individual who has been able to grow his company from ground up to a team of 20 employees. Mr. Sahan has spent years mastering the trades in social media and digital tools and has been able to achieve different KPIs from scale, data collection, store footfall and much more. Boca Juniors, Oberoi, Flipkart are a few brands Mr. Sahan has added value to. And it is my honor to also let all of you know that Mr. Sahan is an old boy of our school who studied in St. Joseph's Boys High School from grade 1 all the way up to grade 12. He is extremely passionate about working with young entrepreneurs like himself and help them grow and scale their businesses. It is my honor to present to all of you Mr. Sahan. Now he would like to give the students a message.
Hey guys, my name is Sahan. I'm absolutely thrilled to be a part of Bifrost. Thank you so much for having me. I would like to congratulate the entire student cohort who put Bifrost together along with every single participant who's taking part. The reason I say this is the first thing towards doing anything successful is by taking action. And the fact that you guys took part in this event, it could be in the form of organizing it or participating, even during this pandemic, shows that your mind's in the right place. When I was younger, my dad used to tell me stories about my grandfather. My grandfather started his own company, and when he came to the city, he had less than $100 in his pocket. So he went from house to house selling pieces of silk and blouse in a basket. And in 5 years, he became one of the top 10 wholesalers of silk in the country. A few years later, he sold his company. My parents started their own company and the same thing happened. They built the company from scratch, completely bootstrapped. In a few years, they grew it. So the reason I'm sharing this story with you guys is to tell you that from an early age, I learned one thing. it's not the resources you have or the opportunities you've given. It's about figuring out what you can do with what you have and really pushing forward and working hard. There are days like this, and during this time, especially with the pandemic, a lot of you guys are afraid and you don't know if it could be job stability. What am I supposed to do with my career? Is business a viable option? All I'm trying to say is, every time there's a tough situation like this, just make sure you have two things right. You love what you do and you're dedicated to it, and you're dedicatedly doing that for a consistent period of time in your patient. So being blessed with those experiences with my dad, my mom and my grandpa, I've always believed, the best way to figure out if you're good or bad at something, try it out and learn. I started my first company when I was 15 years old. And when I started that, I started an app called News Chat. It didn't work. I started a food truck. Didn't work. I started a consulting company called Black Steel Consultancy. It didn't work. But what I value the most is the lessons I've learned from these startups. I learned how to register my company. I learned how to trade import and exports when I was just 17 years old. I learned how to do my taxes. And when you're able to do these things early age in life, capitalize on every opportunity you have, you tend to get more agile and you have a stronger work ethic. Because when you jump out of school and college, you'll understand that the education that you've got from your school acts as a solid foundation, but there's so many skills which you still have to learn. And these skills are things like work ethic, discipline, hard work, patience, And I think these are the soft skills which puts you as someone who's going to get there or someone who's not. The smartest person is not always the person who's going to win. So keep these little things in mind. I think you guys are doing a great job, and these moments gives me a nostalgic trip going back to my old days when I used to fest. I used to take part in entrepreneurship, HR, PR, and I think I used to absolutely love it. And I think the fact that you guys are doing this, I didn't have the opportunity to do it when I was in 11th and 12th. The fact that you guys you already got a head start. I wish you guys the very best. I would say keep in mind that you've got to learn from your peers more than the competition. You win it or not doesn't matter, but the fact that you go out learning something new makes a world of a difference. So thank you guys. I'm going to part with this one quote I've always believed in. It says, start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. I wish you guys the very best at Bifrost and hope to see you guys at the event soon.
We have a number of exciting events lined up for you. A lot of thought and planning has gone into preparing an enjoyable experience. Pragnya and Stefan will now enlighten us about these events.
Commerce links all mankind into one common brotherhood of mutual dependence and interest. Bifrost 2020 has some of the most exciting events which will take you deep into the world of commerce and make you rethink of everything you thought you knew about the commercial world in a new light. With no further ado, here are the events Bifrost 2020 has to offer. Mercadeo, or the marketing event. Marketing is a race without a finishing line. If you think you have the skills necessary to gauge customers' desires and sell them products they didn't know they wanted, then brew those creative juices and awaken the marketer in you. Corporate sabotage. Great public relation is not manipulation of image, but strategic communication. With your ability to bend words, get ready to step onto the corporate battlefield where you will have to master the supreme art of corporate war, which is to subdue your enemy without fighting. Do you have what it takes to strategically steer out your brand out of a staggering crisis and avoid a calamitous pummeling of your public image? I wanted to end the world, but I shall settle for ending yours. This quote describes our event, the 11th Hour to Perfection. The 11th Hour of Christ Management is a junior event and one of the most exciting events, where rather than winning, the focus is on not losing. With many hurdles thrown your way, this event will test your ability to overcome them by spot thinking. Will you be able to withstand such immense pressure, or will you fall prey to it? Curiosity or business quiz will test your knowledge and make you rethink of everything you know about the business world. This event is structured around some very intriguing realms of business.
Corporate Huntdown, our investigation event, explores the unscrupulous and diabolic aspect of the business world while simultaneously testing your deductive and analytical capabilities. Faced with corporate fraud, participants will have to uncover dark secrets, hidden agendas, and unexpected twists to uncover the truth behind it. Everyone may have had a multi-million-dollar idea at some point in their lives, but few have had the expertise or the aptitude to build on that idea and make it a reality. Eureka, our product launch event, provides you with the very platform necessary to build your dream into a reality. Armageddon, the flagship event of our fest, consists of 3 days of intense, fierce, and grueling competition. Comprehensive and multifaceted, this event is designed to put all the skills and expertise you need to succeed in the corporate world to the test. Fast-paced and stressful, this event is not for the faint of heart. FinCrunch, a larger-than-life hurdle race for corporate finance players, this event takes you on a relentlessly strenuous journey from being an intern in a company to becoming the CFO. Riddled with comprehensive figures and financial statements, this event is designed to put your inner investor to the test. Our journalism event, aptly named Veritasium, Latin for Element of Truth, aims to throw light upon recent occurrences currently flooding mainstream media from a neutral perspective, free of political affiliations and biases of any kind. Not only will cold, hard facts have to be gathered and succinctly presented, they will also have to hold up under thorough cross-questioning and scrutiny.
On behalf of the St. Joseph's Boys High School, I would now like to thank our title sponsor, Jagdale Industries Private Limited, our entertainment sponsors, GoldenEye Guarding Solutions Private Limited and Vaishnavi Infrastructure Private Limited. Thank you for making Bifrost 2020 possible.
I declare Bifrost 2020 open.
To accomplish great things, we must not only act, but also dream. Not only plan, but also believe. I invite you all to sit back and watch the trailer of Bifrost 2020.